friends are here today. Our friends are here today. We're so glad our friends are here. We'll clap and shout hooray. So boys and girls, I'm so glad that you're coming to Art Science today. So we are going to do something called dot art. And for that, this is a fun book called The Dot. And this is by Peter H. Reynolds. The dot. There's a dot right there. Art class was over, but Vashti sat glued to her chair. Her paper was empty. There she is. She looks sad. Vashti's teacher leaned over the blank paper. Ah, a polar bear in a snowstorm, she said. Very funny, said Vashti. I just can't draw. Her teacher smiled. Just make a mark and see where it takes you. Vashti grabbed a marker and gave the paper a good, strong jab. There. Her teacher picked up the paper and studied it carefully. She pushed the paper toward Vashti and quietly said, now sign it. Vashti thought for a moment. Well, maybe I can't draw, but I can sign my name. The next week when Vashti walked into art class, she was surprised to see what was hanging above her teacher's desk. It was the little dot she had drawn, her dot, all framed in swirly gold. I can make a better dot than that. So she opened her never-before-used set of watercolors and set to work. Vashti painted and painted a red dot, a purple dot, a yellow dot, a blue dot. The blue mixed with the yellow, and she discovered that she could make a green dot. Vashti kept experimenting, lots of little dots in many colors. If I can make little dots, I can make big dots too. Vashti splashed her colors with a bigger brush on a bigger paper to make bigger dots. Vashti even made a dot by not painting a dot. Oh, see, there's the dot in the middle. At the school art show a few weeks later, Vashti's many dots made quite a splash. Look at that gallery of these wonderful designs. Vashti noticed a little boy gazing up at her. You're a really great artist. I wish I could draw, he said. I bet you can, said Vashti. Me? No, not me. I can't draw a straight line with a ruler. Vashti smiled. She handed the boy a blank sheet of paper. Show me, she said. The boy's pencil shook as he drew his line. Vashti stared at the boy's squiggle, and then she said, please sign it. And then another one who made a dot and then tried to see what where it goes from there. So today our dot art is going to be in the shape of a flower. So we're going to do dots on this flower, and I'll show you why after you decorate this and it's dry. I have a paper clip here. On the back is a strip of magnetic tape, so it will be, actually it will be this way, a note holder. So when you have notes and you have a refrigerator or somewhere where there's magnets, you could hang your note or some artwork. So we'll start with our dots. So here's your flower, and the flower is on this white paper. So you can start making dots. Dots are fun. So you can dot and switch colors. So far I've got dots on here, and then you can make more dots around the other dots. And maybe switch colors again. Oh, as many dots as you can make. There's 6 colors you can choose from too, which is cool. Then you have your dot flower. But if you still want it, and then when you're finished with that flower, maybe the teachers will let it dry, and you, if there's time, could use this plate and just do fun dot designs on this paper if you really like doing dots. And even make a circle around your dots. So then you could have fun after the flower's done and you can do some more designs. So I hope that you'll have fun with that. We're going to do an experiment at the end of the class today, and I'm going to stop to show it to you right here. When you come tomorrow, there is a vase here. The bottom part, I put water and white paint. And then I poured some oil in here, and I tried to stir it up, but the oil and the water didn't mix. So, that is true. Water and oil don't mix. And then the teachers can show you a cool experiment. These are little tablets that have baking soda in it. So when you the teachers put the little pieces of white tablet, you are going to make something really cool happen. It's going to be a chemical reaction that's really fun. So I hope you have fun with all these projects. I can't wait to see your dot flowers. And also, let me show you this too. The teachers will let you do some experiments with these magnet wands after your art. And each one of you will have a chance and see, you can predict which things have iron in them that might be magnetic. Let's see. Definitely. So there's a whole lot of different things. And you can experiment and then predict, well, is this magnetic? And sometimes you're right, and sometimes it's not that case. Oh, this is a fun one. This is a pipe cleaner. Inside this pipe cleaner, there's a piece of wire. Let's see. Oh, that works too. So you'll be doing that today too. So I hope you have lots and lots of fun with all of this, and I hope you have fun, and that I see you soon. Bye, boys and girls.